Welcome civil engineers, learn faster with civil engineering tips. Today we are going to learn about the ribbon. All these icons here are called the ribbon. So we can on and off this ribbon bar. So for that, type RIBBON and then enter. This is the long process. So you can simply type RI and then enter, or you can also do RI and then space, so to work faster while working. So now I'm gonna type RI. When I type RI here, you can see ribbon close. You can close the ribbon and increase the working space. So if it can increase the space for working. So if you don't like, then you can on it for that RI space, and you can on and then ribbon close off. This is how you increase your working space. Okay, like, share and subscribe to learn with civil engineering tips faster. Peace out.